I'll give anyone $10,000 if they can fix my phone. 10,000.
Oh my God.
Mr. Page, $10,000, son. Do you mind if I... Yeah.
Well, perhaps, sir, we could interest you in a newer model.
I don't want a newer model. Look, I want that phone.
Allow me to assist you, Mr. Page. On the house, I'm the store manager. Jojo? Jojo, release the device, please. Thank you. Why don't you step into my office? We'll have a little more privacy.
Okay, let's have a look here. Tell you what, these older boards are tricky. So I take it these messages you need to get to, they must be very important.
Yes, it's just one. There's just one.
Give me 1 second here. All right, well, it's not going to win any beauty contests, but